Dear students, class 6, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's Broadway English course book for class 6. Today's lesson is our unit 4. The video that was sent to you yesterday contained the first section of this unit. Now the second section is sea swimming. Moving on to its reading. It is on page number 81. Let's start reading it. Sea swimming. Today, swimming has become an important sport in competitions like the Olympics, but sea swimming is entirely different from competitive swimming. It is an adventure sport in which one needs mental and physical strength as well as a sense of adventure. Do you know that many people have crossed the English Channel and have proved to be excellent sea swimmers? The sport of channel swimming traces its origin to the latter part of the 19th century when Captain Matthew Webb made the first observed and unassisted swim across the English Channel in August 1875. He swam from England to France in 21 hours and 45 minutes. On 12th August 1923, Enrico Tiraboschi made the first crossing of the English Channel from France to England. In 1927, the Channel Swimming Association (CSA) was founded to authenticate swimmers' claims to have swum the English Channel and to verify crossing times. The CSA was dissolved in 1999 and was succeeded by two separate organizations, the CSA Limited and the Channel Swimming and Piloting Federation (CSPF). Both observe and authenticate cross-channel swims in the Strait of Dover. The first woman to swim the English Channel was Gertrude Ederle. She did it in 14 hours 31 minutes, breaking the previous record by 2 hours. On 6th August 1926, the woman with the most crossings is Alison Streeter with 43 crossings, including 1 three-way and 3 two-way swims. The man with the most crossings is Kevin Murphy with 34 crossings, including 3 doubles. Borjan Das from Pakistan, then East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, became the first Asian to swim across the English Channel. He also earned glory and fame for the nation when he crossed the Channel 6 times between 1958 and 1961 and created a world record for the fastest swim across the English Channel from France to England in September 1961. Borjan Das was born in Kuchinamura village, Mushiganj district on 19 December 1927. He learnt and practiced swimming in the river near his village in his early life. Borjan championed himself as a master swimmer in inter-school and inter-college competitions. Later, in 1952, he became a champion in the 100-meter freestyle in the West Bengal. The sports arena in Pakistan saw an emerging star when Borjan became the national champion in the 100-meter and 200-meter freestyle in 1955. In the same year, he became a champion in the 100, 200 and 400 yard freestyle in a national inter-university competition. Borjan became a swimmer of international repute and accomplished with credit 12 and 26-mile swims as well as a non-stop 48-hour swim. In international swimming competitions, Borjan Das earned credit by swimming 33 kilometers in Italy, securing the first position in the 23-nation Billy Battalions Channel swimming competition and becoming the first Asian to cross the English Channel. In 1959, he succeeded in swimming from the island Capri to Naples in Italy. Borjan Das, who was respectfully regarded as Borjan Da by his near and dear ones, got the Pride of Performance Award in 1959 from the Pakistan government. He also earned the trophy of King of the Channel from the Channel Swimming Association in 1986. The Bangladesh government gave him a national award in 1976 for his valuable contribution to the field of sports and games. He also won many other awards and medals. Borjan Das became a life member of the Channel Swimming Association UK, Vice President of World Long Distance Swimming Association, Secretary General of the Bangladesh Swimming Federation, and the life member of various swimming clubs. Now let's move on to the question answers first and then to the meanings and sentences. Why do you think an organization was needed to authenticate swimmers' claims of crossing the channel? You need organizations so that they can authenticate and they can find out the exact timings, the exact details, the dates, the days, and everything. What were the three biggest achievements of Brajan Das? Now, Brajan Das's biggest achievements were his 100 meter, 200 meter freestyle in 1955. In the same year, 400, 200, then 12 to 26 mile swims. Brajan Das earned credit by swimming 33 kilometers in Italy, securing the first position in 23rd nation Billy Battlin's Channel. In 1959, he succeeded in swimming from the island Capri to Naples in Italy. Lots and lots of achievements. What are some of his other international achievements? I've mentioned these achievements. They are in the third paragraph on page number 82. Which of these words describe Brajan Das best? Adventurous, yes, he was adventurous. Courageous, very courageous. He was strong, he was determined, he was pioneering, and he was daring. What were some of the awards and medals that Brajan Das won? Now, this answer is present on page number 82, last paragraph. He got the Pride of Performance Award in 1959 from the Pakistan government, Trophy of King of the Channel from the Channel Swimming Association in 1986. Bangladesh government gave him a national award in 1976. All these are his awards. Learn to write. Read this advertisement. No uphill task. If you are interested in adventure, climbing and mountaineering, you can take a training course at our institute. We offer the following courses: Adventure, Basic Mountaineering, Advanced Mountaineering. If you want details, write to the Principal, National Institute of Mountaineering, Skardu, Pakistan. Moving on to page number 84. Complete the letter to the National Institute of Mountaineering below, asking for details about one of the course listed. In your letter, ask for the following details: who can apply for the course, minimum age, etc., how long the course will be, how much you have to pay for the course, what kind of food and accommodation you will be given, whether you need to give a medical fitness certificate. Now, beginning of the letter is always with the address, the principal, National Institute of Mountaineering, Skardu, full stop, Pakistan. Next is date, then dear sir, and the subject of the letter. This letter is being written to find out about details about the course listed. Dear sir, I have read your advertisement about the 3 courses you offer at your institute. I am interested in doing the course in adventure. Could you please give me information about the following? You can ask how long the course will be, how much you have to pay for the course, what kind of food and accommodation, etc. Yours faithfully, and your name and your address. On the next page, there is a table showing the names of some of the women who have climbed Everest. Janko Tabii, Bachendri Paul, Sharon Wood, Lydia Brady, Soon Jo Kim. Janko Tabii is Japanese, Bachendra Pal is Indian, Sharon Wood Canadian, Lydia Brady New Zealander, Soon To Jim South Korean. Read the information given in the table above and answer the following questions. How many women from Asia have climbed Everest? Who was the first woman to climb Everest? How old was Bachendri Paul when she climbed Everest? What do you think? Most of them climbed Everest in the month of May. Why do you think? The weather is suitable. Who was the oldest woman to climb Everest? Sharon Wood was older than Lydia Brady when she climbed Everest. True or false? Learn to speak. Here are a few rules that trekkers are expected to follow. Read the rules carefully. Discuss the rules in groups of 3 or 4 and say why each of them is necessary. Then present your group's views to the whole class. Some rules for trekking. Follow the route given by the Department of Tourism. Take only an authorized guide and porter. Do not cut any plants or trees. Do not kill any wild animals or birds. Be careful when you light a match in a wooded or a grassy area. Here is a map with a few places marked on it, like St. Anthony's Church, Park Street, Hotel Viceroy, Model School. Move around the class and ask each how to get to one of the places. Do mark the route. Begin from the station. You could begin each conversation like this: excuse me, do you know where Hotel Viceroy is? Or excuse me, can you tell me the way to Park Street, please? Okay, next, moving on to the hard words. There are a lot of hard words in this lesson. First is observed, notice, unassisted, not helped, authenticate, verify, succeeded, triumph, kamyab, previous, foregoing, glory, fame, practiced, exercise, championed, promote, arena, stadium, repute, respected, accomplished, respectfully, regarded, securing, valuable, contribution, channel, field, emerging, and fame. These are all included in your lesson, and you must take out the meanings of these lessons, so that you can understand well what is going on in the entire chapter. Now, we began this lesson and the previous one. They're all about sports. Women mountaineering is also there, pinnacle of success. Then we have the next lesson is sea swimming. In all these, the words authenticate, means to confirm the truth or genuineness of something. Origin, where it began, observed, unassisted, not helped, succeeded, to be successful. Previous, coming from behind, like previous means the one not happening now but what has already happened. Glory is fame. Then there are other ones. Championed, uh, how to become perfect in any sport. All these words are here. Respectfully, regarded. These new words. Valuable, contribution. Valuable is a thing that is treasurable. Valuable is something that brings a lot of fame. So I hope you liked the video and you have understood what sea swimming is about and how this sport became so popular. Thank you, and please like and subscribe our channel.